If log of 3 equals x and log of 4 equals y, which of the following expresses log base square root of 12? All right, well, I don't know what log of 3 is x means. I don't know what log of 4 of y means, but what I can do is I can rewrite this into its other form. So I can write this out. Remember, if you have no base at all, it's invisible base 10, invisible base 10, invisible base 10. Will that really help me? I don't know, probably not. But what I can do is I can rewrite this out as 10 to the x equals 3. And I can write this out as 10 to the y equals 4. Now, why am I doing that? Because it isolates 3 and it isolates 4 and now gives me 3 and 4 on its own thing. So now I can kind of plug it into here and see what happens. I want to find out what log base 10 of the square root of 12 is. So first things first, let me rewrite this. Log base 10 of the square root means stuff to the 1/2. Now 12 just so happens to be 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So log base 10 of 3 times 4, wait a minute, 3 is 10 to the x. So why don't I replace 3 with 10 to the x times, and wait a minute, 4 is 10 to the y. So why don't I replace u with 10 to the y? And now I close the parentheses and I take it to the 1/2 power. Now I'm kind of getting where I want to go, but this log is still in the way. However, I know there's a rule that says log base 10 of 10 to the stuff means things will go away. So I need to make these 10s go away. How can I do that? Well, 10 to the x times 10 to the y means I'm multiplying things of the same base, so I can add exponents. So let me write this out as log base 10 to the x plus y. Again, if you got lost with what I did there, when multiplying terms of the same base, add the exponents. To the 1/2 is still there. Now I still have that 1/2 there. But if I have an exponent taken to an exponent, multiply the exponents. So one last step before I can start crossing things out is I can write this out as 10 to the x plus y times 1/2, or 1/2 times x plus y. Log base 10 of 10 to the stuff crosses those out and you're left with just the stuff. And it just so happens that the stuff is 1/2 x plus y, which is D. Tricky, tricky, tricky.